From 1st July, new income tax section 206AB and 206CCA has been introduced, which is basically about deducting higher TDS rate for the specified people or non-filers who are not filing income tax returns. So deductors, that is TDS deductors, were in a fix how to check if the other person, that is deductee, has been filing their returns or not. To facilitate this, Income Tax Department has brought this utility. So in this video, we will guide you step by step on how to register on new reporting portal and check about the deductee details. So log on to the new income tax portal, then click on login. Here fill in your TAN number. I repeat, TAN number and not PAN number. Tax deduction and collection account number. Right. Then fill in your password. Then continue. Then this dashboard will get open. Click on this pending actions. Then click on reporting portal. Then this pop-up will come. Click on proceed. We are doing the new registration in the reporting portal. So click on new registration, continue. Then select compliance check for the form type. Entity category, it will come automatically. Click on next. Now it will ask the entity details. You can select the country, state, pin code, address and other things. And then click on add principal officer. So here you have to fill the details of your principal officer, means the person responsible for all this thing, that is deductions. Right? You can just fill the PAN number and most of the information will get auto-populated. Fill his email ID and mobile number. Please note, we will get a new login ID and password for login into reporting portal. This new login ID and password will be sent on this email ID. Right? So after filling all this information, click on submit. Right? It will ask for a confirmation message. Are you sure you want to submit the form? Click on OK. Then this screen will appear that your details has been successfully submitted and your request number. An email has been sent to the registered email ID also. Right? So you can download the acknowledgement here for your future reference. Right? Now you can check your email ID. You would have received the login ID and password to get into the reporting portal. Right? Continue to log in. You can click here to log in, or you can go to the dashboard. Right? We were here. Right? You can go to the pending actions, reporting portal. It will ask, are you sure? Yes. Click proceed. Again this will open. New registration, SFT, preliminary, manage principal office. If you see now, you can actually click here and continue if you want to change the mobile number or anything about the principal officer, or you want to you don't want this principal officer. Right? So what we have to do is we have to click here reporting portal. Right? You're seeing this here, reporting portal. Click here. Now this new website will get open. Right? Click here, login. Fill in the PAN and the password that you received on your email just now. Click on login. It will ask you to change the password. Change the password and click submit. Now you have to again log in with the new password. Enter the PAN number of the principal officer and the password. Right? I repeat, here the PAN number is of the principal officer. Password and log in. Right? Select the details here and click on proceed. Authorized person type, you can select principal officer and click on proceed. Now this screen will get open. You can see here it's a compliance check for section 206AB and 20666A. Right? Click here and clicking this screen will get open. You just have to type the PAN number of the deductee, fill the CAPTCHA code, click search, and you can see the PAN result here, the name, the PAN allotment date, whether it is linked to PAN Aadhaar, and does this person is the specified person under section 206AB and 20666A. So this is how tax deductor and tax collector can check the deductee or collectee details. Hope this video helps you to do the compliance under the new income tax section 206AB and 206CCA.